New versions of Business Contact Extractor may include improvements, bug fixes, and additional features. In this tutorial, we will update the extension without removing the existing installation. First, download the latest Business Contact Extractor update using the official email or download link provided by Blaster Pro Tools. Only install updates received from an official and trusted source. Once the zip file has downloaded, right-click it and select Extract All. Extract the update into a temporary folder, such as a new folder on your desktop. Do not extract it directly into your permanent Business Contact Extractor folder. Once the files have been extracted, open the new update folder. Make sure you are inside the folder containing the extension files and the manifest.json file. Now, open the permanent Business Contact Extractor folder you created during the original installation. Do not delete, rename, or move this permanent folder. Copy all the files and folders from the new update folder and paste them into the existing permanent extension folder. When Windows asks what you want to do with files that have the same names, select Replace the files in the destination. Next, open Google Chrome. Select the three-dot menu, open Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Make sure developer mode is turned on. Find Business Contact Extractor and select the circular reload icon. Do not select Remove. Chrome will reload the extension using the updated files. Finally, open Business Contact Extractor from the Chrome toolbar and confirm that it is working correctly and that your license is still active. If your license is no longer active, contact Blaster Pro Tools and request a license reset. Once your license has been reset, you can activate the extension again using the same license key. Your Business Contact Extractor update is now complete.